Hello, I'm Frederick Forsyth, author of various novels, mainly thrillers, over the past 35 years, starting with The Day of the Jackal, and the latest one was The Afghan. I'm also a patron of Eastside Educational Trust, which I joined after mentoring in their program designed to encourage young people to try their hand at writing. But first, let's consider what comes before writing itself: reading. Now, if you were to hold up a book, you'd say, that's a book. I'd say, no, that's a gateway. And if you go through that gateway, then you can travel to places you never thought you'd ever see. You can witness experiences that you never dreamed would happen to you. You can meet people you never thought you'd encounter. Story may be about romance or science fiction or fantasy, or, in my own case, the spy world, the underworld, criminals, police, stuff like that. Thrillers, in other words. You learn through books without knowing you're learning, and you enjoy yourself at the same time. But the difference between reading and staring at a screen is that when you're reading a book, the author takes you into that world, and then your imagination takes over. You can imagine people the way you want them to be. You can imagine things the way you think they ought to be. And that means that you are, in a sense, contributing. And then you gain confidence. You learn the power of your own imagination. That is when you start thinking, I could do that. And then you start to write. And that's the point of it. So skip the telly, get yourself a good, exciting book, and then learn the power of your imagination. And then sign up for Eastside. That's what it's all about.